JavaScript is everywhere. It allows you to create interaction with users, visitors coming to your website, as well as create dynamic code and output, manipulating and updating your HTML code. My name is Lawrence, and I've been a web developer for over 14 years, and I'm going to be sharing my knowledge with you in regards to JavaScript. I'm going to be walking you through step by step all the different base functionality that you need to know in order to start working with JavaScript. Understanding the basics of JavaScript will give you the best foundation in order to build on to learn more and more JavaScript in order to become more and more proficient with JavaScript. In the introduction of this course, I'm going to talk you to how to create simple JavaScript code, and we're also going to be looking at how to add JavaScript into your web pages, into your HTML code. And then we're going to be showing you structuring JavaScript, talking about literals, identifiers, and also functions, showing you what the basics of functions and how to get going with functions quickly in JavaScript. All of the source code and resources used within this course are included as well. So I've got links to all of that content online, as well as PDF files containing source code. So I'm also going to be explaining functions in more detail, math, numbers, working with strings, working with arrays, working with objects, and as well we're going to be talking about conditions, comparisons, and loops. So all of this basic structure for JavaScript will help you get going quickly coding JavaScript yourself. I also want to take this opportunity to welcome you to the course and also encourage you that if you do have any questions, please post them in the discussion board. I'm online regularly, and I do answer questions on a regular basis. So when you're ready, let's get learning JavaScript.